Hey everyone, we have some Honda CRZ headlights finished up today. This customer sent in his OEM HID headlights, and we did a 3-inch by LED conversion inside. So upgraded the factory projector setup. We can obviously do this for the halogen model headlights as well. He also got a lens restoration. His lenses were in not the best shape, so we did a full sand down and re-clear with 2K clear. The clear is still in its curing process, so these will get more clarity as the lenses or as the clear coat cures. And obviously, as you see here, he also added the switchback LED kind of strips. We've done this on previous builds as well. Pretty common modification that the first gen or the pre-facelift CRZs asked for. So yeah, this is like kind of a flexible switchback strip, and has a sequential turn signal indicator. So this would be like your turn signals, and then it would go back to white. So yeah, if you have a facelift or pre-facelift CRZ looking to upgrade the headlights, we have a product page for this vehicle on our website, and you can make your order entirely online. Optionally, you can add any additional modifications you may want, such as these LED strips. We offer DRL modification for the facelift lights that have factory LED DRLs, and a lot of different options on the website. So just take a gander on the website and add any options you may want. We also offer lens restoration, as was done on these headlights, and you can get them ceramic coated. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.